Hi, welcome to my channel Logical Coder Girl #Coder Girl. In this video, today I will talk about a very important software quality metric, that is cohesion. So first I will talk a bit about this, then I will take you through a detailed example in which we will understand that why it is important and how to make sure that the code is following high cohesion. So make sure to watch this video till end. So now let's start. So to understand cohesion easily or in a better way, first you can think of these two questions. Does this piece of code do one clear thing or many unrelated things? If you can think of like this, then cohesion is the answer to these two questions. So first let's go through its definition. So cohesion is the degree to which elements of a module belong together and work toward a single purpose. Either your code could be of low cohesion or a high cohesion. So low cohesion is when it mixes unrelated responsibilities, and high cohesion is when it has single well defined purpose and the job of a method or class is very clear and it is maintainable. Now let's go through its example so that you can understand in a very clear way. Let's start with example. So here is the example of cohesion. I write code in PHP, so my example is also in PHP, but you should follow this metric regardless of the programming language. So now you see that this example is of low cohesion. So class user manager, this name is itself is a red flag because this name is too generic. So first two methods related to database, and the second method is sending welcome email, and the third method is saving the logs to the system. So now this class is already fulfilling three purpose. It's not a single purpose. The one purpose is related to database, the second is related to email, and the third is related to logs. So when if there is any problem with the database, you have to do something with the same class, and it's the same case with the email and the logs. So this code should be refactored, and it should follow the high cohesion so that your code should be easy to maintain and to read and for the future developers. Now I have already wrote this example by refactoring it. So you see the first class is user repository. The name itself is very clear that something related to the database and of user. So now these two methods should be in this class. Add user, it's saving the user to the database, and get user, we are fetching the list of users from the database. And the second class is email service. Now again we are very clear from the name that this class will have some methods which are doing something with the email service. And is the same thing with the logger class, that this logger class itself is clear that it is doing something with the logs, either saving the logs or fetching the logs. Even in PHP, even in any programming language, there are library methods. So here I will show you some library methods which are following high cohesion and have only one reason to change. So the first method is cos of the given value. So this method will only return the cosine of the given number. In the same way, this tan method will return the tangent of the given number. So these two methods now have only one reason to change, which are very easy to understand. Even its names are very clear. So now these are only one job and which are very maintainable. I hope now you can understand that what is cohesion and why your code should follow the high cohesion. So I hope you will take care of this software metric in your future code. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.